Welcome, my friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Mamoon. It's a joy to connect across time and space. If you're feeling stressed, fed up with life, depressed, anxious, insecure, feeling anger, tiredness, feeling the desire for sleep, feeling the desire to just crawl into bed and call it a day, or perhaps feeling restless, like you can't relax, feeling lack and limitations, feeling ashamed, guilty, self-hatred, or perhaps even joyfulness. Whatsoever you feel is a-okay, reminding you that it's absolutely okay to not feel okay, so long that you can bring some awareness that can go beyond the pain. And that's what we're gonna do today, my friend. Taking some deep breaths and bringing awareness to our pain, to our anxiety, going beyond it. That being said, getting comfortable, getting in a nice posture where you can be aware. Putting distractions to the side. Gently close the eyes, tuning deeper into your inner world, noticing all the discomfort, the tension, and smiling at it. Taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Breathing in and breathing out. Every cell in the body inhaling. Exhale, release. Breathing into the belly. Exhale, pushing the belly outwards. posture as you breathe in. And breathe out. Doing good, my friends. Stay with me. Inhaling. Exhale. Breathing in faith in yourself. Exhaling faith in this life. Breathing in forgiveness. Exhale, letting go of the past. Breathing in kindness. And exhale, letting go of any self-hatred, shame, guilt. Simply letting it go. Inhaling love. And exhale, letting go of fear. Breathing into the belly. Holding the breath at the top. Exhale, letting go. Dropping the shoulders away from your ears, relaxing your face, the jaw, the lips, the forehead, relaxing the palms of your hands and feet, becoming aware of your posture, aware of how you're sat. As you look inwards, taking a deep breath in. Holding the breath at the top. And exhale, letting go of pain. Breathing in compassion into the heart space. Holding that compassion inside. Feeling your body filled with compassion. A very compassionate energy coursing through your body, and exhaling. And if your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. Taking a deep breath in. Hold. And exhale. Bringing all your attention inwards, witnessing and welcoming yourself very gently, very lovingly. Taking a deep breath in. Holding the breath at the top. And very gently exhale. Becoming aware of your posture, aware of how you're sat as you breathe in and breathing out. Inhaling aliveness and exhale, letting go of past, letting go of future. Breathing in presence. Exhale, feeling rooted in this moment. Breathing in joyfulness. And exhale. Every cell in your body breathing in and holding the breath. And exhaling. Relaxing your face, relaxing the belly, relaxing your hands and feet. The color for today is a bright orange, like a bright sunset orange. The number is 50,000. And the animal is a turtle. Becoming aware of your space, aware of how you feel after taking some deep breaths. Taking one last deep breath for now. Hold. And exhale. I thank you for joining me today across time and space. I'm sending you a big hug, my dear friend. Wishing you an abundance of love, an abundance of inner beauty. Don't be so hard on yourself with how you look or how much money you have or what type of success you've achieved. My invitation to myself, speaking to myself and who's ever listening, is to see the inner beauty that we already have just underneath the pain, the anxiety, the worries, is already something so precious, like a treasure that we hold inside, that's always there. So if you're really focused on external circumstances, without getting too caught up in what's going on in your life with the circumstances, see if you can come more into your inner world. And from there, you can attune to life and actually shift external circumstances. But it happens first inside you. I know from my own experience that it's very difficult to go inwards when external circumstances are very stressful and in a hard place with whatever's going on in your life. I know that it can be hard to go inside, but even if you can just 5 minutes, before you go to bed, when you wake up, just focus on your breath and going in. There's a lot of medicine in that. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.